Okay, check out this fresh arrival. You guys are gonna love this one. The temperature out here is cold, but the deals are hot. Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This is a 2024 Honda CR-V EXL. So it's got leather interior, alloy wheels. It's got a moonroof, one-touch power open. You can vent it, you can close it. There's a shade. It's got a power seat. It's got a power lift gate. It's got lots and lots of features. I mean, if you're looking for a nicely equipped CR-V that's the new body style, Honda certified, with low miles and great condition, this is the one. Customer bought it from us brand new. They just were here on Monday for service. They did the 30,000 mile service on the car, changed the oil, changed the transmission fluid, did all the stuff needed for the 30,000 mile service. Came back today and said, you know what, it's time for me to upgrade to a new one. Drove away in a 2026, the exact same car. This car is well loved, well maintained, and ready for a new home. Only 29,000 miles on a 2024 CR-V EXL, a one owner, very well maintained. We got all the records. Come check it out today. Victory Honda of Plymouth. Let me show you the inside, show you the leather. It's meteorite gray on the outside, gray leather on the inside. There's the power seat. You got memory seating, power locks, power windows, all your controls. The back seat nice and clean there. This car is ready. Come check it out, take it for a ride. You won't be disappointed. Fire it up here so you can see the miles exactly. Almost a full tank of gas already. 29,446 on the miles. Display screen, there's the infotainment. There's your center stack there. Both keys are with it. I got one right here in my pocket. It's got remote start, keyless entry, all the good stuff. See, there's the keys numbered for the memory seating. Come check it out today, Victory Honda Plymouth, 734-453-3600. Give us a call. We're looking to help you out. Thanks.